So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $86,000 right now. And the retracement that I told you, that retracement is very common in this space. I told you that I would be expecting a retracement up to $90,000. And over there, I'll pray that it would stop. But because if it doesn't, then it will go down towards $85,000. Both of the stuff has happened because it did go towards $85,000 after losing after losing 90. When initially it dropped below 90, it did put up a fight. It tried to go back and conquer, but of course it only started crapping itself. But going from 95 to 90 was very obvious because it made no sense that it wouldn't retrace. It was only sensible for it to go down, but I hoped that it will hold on to 90, because if it had held on to 90, then at least we would have seen an upward journey towards 97,300, and only after that I could have said that, okay, now finally we are starting getting bullish. That didn't happen. As that didn't happen, now we don't have a bullish case scenario. Of course, for the month of March, I'm still expecting the month of March to be green. I wanted to wait till 5th of March, then Uncle Trump came along with all kinds of news. He disrupted that, and on 7th there is a crypto summit. So all that stuff has added 2 more days of uncertainty. So instead of waiting till 5th, now we have to wait till 7th to see the overall direction of the market. But I'm still hopeful from the market to be green in the month of March. I'm not expecting March to be red, because if March goes red, then we are dealing with 2020. You are dealing with the confirmed financial crisis, because that was the only year where we had a March that was super red, and we just continued to dip low and low. Let's not get that bearish. Let's still have our hope. $85,000 is a good support area as well. If Bitcoin doesn't go below $85,000 for more than 8 hours, it doesn't form 2 candles below it, I would still assume that Bitcoin is going to go and reverse and conquer $90,000, and then at $90,000 it can have its dramas. But if it is not able to hold on to $85,000, it's right now sitting at $85,900. It is putting up a fight. It's trying to hold on to this area. It is now $86,000. So there is a fight going on, but the thing is, if it doesn't hold 85, then it opens the doors towards $74,000. I'm not bothered by 77, 78, all that stuff. If it's not 85, it's not 80, then it is 74 for me. Otherwise, it can be just a wick. It will go down there one time, and then next thing you would know, it will just pump all the way from there. You can see that when these are wicks, the downward journeys, they are not stable, and they generally look like this. It's one big ass wick on a daily. The actual candles, they are there at close to, it's 84,700, 84,500. We can call it $85,000. So you can see the bodies of the candles, they are pretty much above $85,000. The lower area is more of a wick. That's more of a reaction rather than a solid location for the coin to stay. So I'm not bothered with that region, but if you lose 85K and start the downward journey, then it is only sensible to assume you're going towards 74. Otherwise, it can lead to a wick, and then from there it can recover back. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. There's nothing else for me to add. If it is 85, next stop is 90, and after 90 it's 97. But if it is not able to hold on to 85, I have to assume it is going down towards 74K, and that's it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.